Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is what this project is all about. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Now, it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, but because construction is still going on, I'm not sure why they closed the other side, but the 2 lanes on the right are finished, but both sides of this road is used for the traffic going in both directions. But when finished, it will be traffic going in 2 lanes on this side and 2 lanes on the other side. A dual carriageway, 4 lanes. But this will give you an excellent idea of what the road is going to look like when it's finished. When the entire thing is finished, it will look like this. And the project is to be finished by 2025. However, as you can see, this section is finished and they allow persons to drive on it. So as more sections become finished, they will open it up to traffic. Alright, so when we went around that corner, the highway is actually going to go straight across, but the bridge connecting it both sides is not finished yet. So for now we have to take the detour and come back onto this road, but the highway will bypass this road when finished. So the new alignment of the road, this is where the new section of the road starts when you turn left here and goes all the way back to the section that's finished. So the highway will start here on the left and go all the way back to the finished section, running along a new route, a new road. This section now, the highway will run along the existing road. So there you can see them putting in the additional lanes to the right.